Inch run a 69 like Takashi. Call him Papi. Worth the ASAP. Keep me rocky. I'm from New York, so I'm cocky.
Welcome back to another video. So this is another hair slay. Now I haven't reviewed some good virgin hair lately, but I'm back and I'm back at it. Okay, so this is some nice water wave hair from Yolissa hair, and y'all gonna see how I install this wig. I'm just looking in the mirror like, girl, this hair is really popping. Like, my edges really slayed, honey. My edges are slayed to the gods. But yeah, you're gonna see how I install this beautiful hair and get all the hair details. For further ado, girl, I know you're new and you're like, let me see what she got going on before I subscribe. No, you better subscribe right now. Better subscribe right now, girl, because my channel is lit. I got hair. I'm the hair plug. I'm the clothes. Girl, I got everything for the low, okay? So if you want to look good for the low, girl, subscribe to my channel. If you want to get all the tea, subscribe to my channel. If you want to be a baddie, subscribe to my channel. If you are a baddie, subscribe to my channel. Do that. So yeah, make sure you like this video and comment down below what else you want to see and how you like this hair, or if you purchased this hair, how's it going for you. But yeah, for further ado, let's get into this video. so first and foremost, this hair is from Yolissa hair. The hair texture I have is called water wave. I have a 20-inch front tube, and I received 4 bundles. I received 2 24-inch bundles, 2 22-inch bundles. So what I have in my hair right now, I just have 2 26 inches. So I literally just have 2 bundles, and I use like one of the 22-inch bundle like for the very top of the hair, which I literally use like a track. But yeah, the hair is very full. Like, let me just stand up for y'all guys in case y'all want to see. The hair is very full. Like, the texture is really nice. When I first got the hair, I didn't like the ends. I think the ends were like too stringy, but like once you wet it and everything, it's okay. But you know, it's very hard to find good hair with like thick hair to the roots to the ends, but the ends are not that bad. Like, I've seen worse. What I did is I rinsed the hair. I don't know, I didn't really like the hair in this natural color, in this type of texture, so I rinsed it to this jet black color. I used a door dye. My only con with this hair was that the lace color. I didn't like the color of the lace. As y'all seen earlier, the lace color was like a grayish kind of greenish color, and it was really annoying. Like, I know like once you bleach the knots on the front too, the lace does change colors, but the way that lace changed colors, it was ridiculous. And I didn't over bleach my knots whatsoever, but I definitely could have tinted my lace, but that's a lot of work. You have to tint the lace, then bleach the knots, and it just a lot. So I had to reapply my foundation off camera. I had to use a darker shade, so I used a darker foundation shade, and it turned out pretty well. And I also could have used like a darker cap under this wig also. I made this into a wig. I know you guys are gonna ask, oh, are you selling it, girl? I'm gonna have to say, I'm not finna sell this wig. I'm in love with it, you know. I gotta keep her. She gotta stay with me, okay? Definitely with Brazilian curly hair, you're gonna get some shedding because, you know, it's curly hair. Curly hair sheds faster than straight hair. No excessive shedding. The front two didn't shed. You know, the front two is pretty good, guys, except for that lace color. So make sure you stay on the lookout for that. But I will definitely make an update video of this hair since I'm keeping it. I will make an update video and do more styles with this hair also. I was going to do a half up, half down, but I want you guys to see how the hair looks. And you know, like this, looking all cute in its natural state. And I also love the hair in its natural state, like without it wet and everything. Thank you all so much for watching. Make sure you like this video, comment down for more, and comment down what other hair textures you want to see, what other videos you want to see. Baby, just comment down below, okay? And yes, honey, and you already know I'm the hair plug. I come to conquer, I come to slay for you. If you want to look good for the low, go to Aliexpress.com, baby, and you know, cop you a wig, cop you some clothes. I sell lashes too. So these lashes are my lashes, but they're not for sale yet because I want to sell all of the lashes that I have on my site right now. Once those lashes sold out, then I will bring these bad boys to the website. But yeah, dolls, thank you so much for watching. I love you all, and make sure you participate in my wig giveaway if you haven't. The link to that video will be linked down below. Good luck to everybody, and thank you so much for supporting. And as you know, slay till your edges fall off. Yo, that I didn't watch her last video. You hear me?